Oh, hi, Harry. Why did you come here? Ow! Oh, I see. I'll cook then. A special guest has come to my kitchen. Let's help him with his mission.
Beef. Salt. Butter. Noodles.
That's yummy.
Go get the ingredients for Daisy.
Oh, boy.
Huh?
Where's Perry?
I have an idea.
Whoa!
Aha! I found Perry. Daisy, catch it. I got it.
Edible gold leaf. Black bean sauce. Tomato. The dish is ready, and it looks absolutely delicious.
Complete the challenge.
Wow, that looks so good. I'm hungry now. All right, let's cook some kimbap.
Beef. Soy sauce. Sugar. Sesame oil. Marinate for 15 minutes. Rice. Water. Oil. Egg.
That's how it's done, done, done. You won! Here you reward.
Daisy! Daisy!
Oh, wow! Fresh veggies!
Thank you so much! Golden beet. Carrot. Cucumber. Seaweed. Sesame oil.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.
Here's your reward.
Just a logo? I want real food. Daisy, I'm hungry. Can you make me a burger?
Of course, Kitty.
Beef. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. Paprika. Oil. Egg. Bacon.
Time to shop for a burger. Perfect! Burger buns. Here you go.
Thank you.
Got the buns. Let's cook.
Mayonnaise. Ketchup. Yellow mustard powder. Sauce. Pickles.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it. Mine. It's mine. No way. It's mine. No. Oh no. Look what you did.
Me? It was your fault.
Hey, don't fight. Stop crying. I'll cook for both of you.
Thank you, Daisy.
Daisy.
Sausage. Cheese. Egg. Flour. Milk.
I need potato. Okay, I'll go shopping.
Ooh.
sausages. You greedy cats! Did you eat everything? Out! Out of my kitchen! All right, let's try again.
Potato. Oil. Yellow fever. Coriander. Honey.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.